Lesson: Privacy concerns in targeted and behavioral advertising. Privacy concerns in targeted and behavioral advertising have become increasingly significant in the digital age, where businesses leverage vast amounts of consumer data to tailor marketing efforts. The central challenge lies in balancing the benefits of personalized advertising with the imperative to respect consumer privacy. One of the primary concerns is the extent to which consumer data is collected, analyzed, and used to deliver targeted ads. This practice often involves tracking user behavior across websites, social media platforms, and mobile applications, leading to an accumulation of detailed profiles on individual consumers. Such practices raise questions about consent, data security, and the potential for consumer manipulation. Privacy professionals must be equipped with practical tools and frameworks to address these concerns effectively. The Fair Information Practice Principles offer a foundational framework for managing privacy in advertising. FUPs emphasize core principles such as notice awareness, choice consent, access participation, integrity security, and enforcement redress. By adhering to these principles, organizations can develop privacy policies that ensure transparency and empower consumers with greater control over their personal information. A practical application of the FIPS framework can be seen in the use of privacy notices and consent mechanisms. Privacy notices must be clear, concise, and accessible, providing consumers with essential information about data collection practices. Recent studies highlight the importance of layered privacy notices, which allow users to access detailed information at their discretion, thereby enhancing consumer understanding and engagement. Consent mechanisms, such as opt-in and opt-out options, should be straightforward, allowing consumers to make informed decisions about their data. Implementing these strategies not only aligns with regulatory requirements, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, but also fosters consumer trust. Behavioral advertising often relies on third-party cookies to track user interactions across multiple sites, raising significant privacy concerns. Tools like browser extensions that block third-party cookies or enable Do Not Track settings empower consumers to protect their privacy. For instance, widely used browser extensions like Privacy Badger or uBlock Origin can help users manage tracking activities, providing them with greater control over their online footprint. Privacy professionals should advocate for the adoption of such tools, educating consumers about their benefits and functionality. Moreover, implementing privacy by design is an essential strategy in addressing privacy concerns in targeted advertising. This approach integrates privacy considerations into every stage of product development, ensuring that data protection is a fundamental component of the advertising process. Privacy by design emphasizes data minimization, ensuring that only the necessary data is collected and processed for advertising purposes. A case in point is the development of privacy-focused advertising models, such as federated learning, which allows for personalized advertising without sharing raw data across servers. This innovative approach demonstrates how privacy by design can reconcile the goals of personalized marketing with robust privacy protections. Transparency is another critical element in mitigating privacy concerns in targeted advertising. Companies must clearly communicate their data practices and the rationale behind targeted ads. An illustrative example is the "Why am I seeing this ad" feature implemented by platforms like Facebook and Google, which provides users with insights into the criteria used for ad targeting. By offering this level of transparency, companies can demystify the advertising process, empowering consumers to make informed choices about their data. The role of regulatory compliance cannot be overstated in addressing privacy concerns. The GDPR has set a high standard for data protection, emphasizing principles like data minimization, purpose limitation, and accountability. Under the GDPR, organizations must obtain explicit consent from users before collecting or processing personal data for targeted advertising. Compliance with such regulations is not merely a legal obligation, but also a strategic opportunity to differentiate a brand in the marketplace by prioritizing consumer privacy. Privacy professionals can further enhance their strategies by leveraging privacy impact assessments. PIAs are systematic evaluations of how a project or system affects individual privacy, identifying potential risks and recommending mitigation strategies. By conducting PIAs, organizations can proactively address privacy concerns, ensuring that targeted advertising initiatives align with legal and ethical standards. Consumer education is a vital component in addressing privacy concerns in targeted advertising. Privacy professionals should prioritize initiatives that educate consumers about their rights, the value of their data, and the privacy tools available to them. Workshops, webinars, and online resources can empower consumers with the knowledge necessary to navigate the complexities of digital advertising effectively. In conclusion, privacy concerns in targeted and behavioral advertising require a multifaceted approach that combines regulatory compliance, technological innovation, and consumer empowerment. By utilizing frameworks like the CIPP piece, embracing privacy by design, and prioritizing transparency, organizations can address these concerns while maintaining the benefits of personalized advertising. Tools such as browser extensions and privacy impact assessments offer practical solutions for protecting consumer data, while education initiatives ensure that consumers are equipped to make informed decisions. Privacy professionals play a crucial role in guiding organizations through this complex landscape, ensuring that privacy is upheld as a fundamental value in marketing and advertising practices.